Welcome to the Graz Clock Tower, an iconic landmark that graces the skyline of Graz, Austria. Known for its distinctive design and captivating views of the city, this historic clock tower offers a glimpse into Graz's rich cultural heritage. Standing tall amidst the bustling city streets, the Graz Clock Tower is a symbol of Graz's medieval past and architectural ingenuity. With its intricate facade and towering spire, the clock tower is a testament to the craftsmanship of generations past. Climb to the top of the Graz Clock Tower and be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the city below. From the historic old town to the modern skyline, the vistas from the tower's observation deck offer a unique perspective of Graz's beauty. Explore the inner workings of the clock tower and marvel at its intricate mechanism. Dating back centuries, the clock still keeps time with precision, a testament to the engineering prowess of its creators. Surrounding the Graz Clock Tower is a vibrant cityscape filled with historic landmarks, charming squares, and cultural attractions. Explore Graz's lively streets, bustling markets, and quaint cafes as you immerse yourself in the city's unique atmosphere.